Hey everybody, this is Jessica Lynn of Artistry and Cards. I'd like to welcome you back or to my channel for the first time, depending on what your scenario is. I am so excited to be a super sponsor for the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. I thought I'd jump on here and just go ahead and record a video and just kind of show you some of the fun stuff that we have going on. Obviously, in the world we're living in right now, JLO, Jessica Lynn Originals, is in the process of sort of reinventing ourselves. And so what I thought would be best is we're going to offer some sales, so be sure to check those out. And then I've been drawing like crazy. So there are a bunch of brand new digital stamps that are available. So if you are interested in those, please go ahead and take a look. Now, I do want to say, please subscribe to my channel. Here on Artistry and Cards, this is where I'm going to show all of my card making and more. So you just can go to ArtistryinCards.com, or there is a QR code right up there in that upper corner. If you go ahead and scan that with your phone right now, it'll actually help you subscribe to our channel. And there's no cost for that. That'll just let you know that we have new videos, and it'll help you be part of our group on YouTube. So I'd love that. For those of you that don't know, I am the owner and artist of a rubber stamp company called Jessica Lynn Original. This is my 20th year with Jessica Lynn Original. It literally started off because I had a boss who said, hey, maybe you should try and submit your designs. That did not work. Long story short, the company's already out of business, and it was a biggie. But I ended up starting my own company with the encouraging words from her. And 20 years later, I'm still doing it. I will tell you that I've had an influx of custom designs lately, so I'm sorry for those of you that have ordered that have had any delays. It was a huge surprise, so I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'm working diligently to kind of get myself caught back up. So for the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop, we are going to have a free digital stamp that will not show up onto the website until Friday morning to go along with the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. But I do have a bunch of stamps up there currently. And what I will tell you is if you buy 2 digitals, you get 2 digitals free. So that will automatically happen, so you don't have to worry about that. All you do is just make sure you add them to your cart. Off you go. So let's go ahead and let me show you what that looks like. So this will take me just 1 second. I have a whole bunch of things popped up on my screen. Let me go ahead and just close some of that stuff out. All right. Here we go. Perfect. Things are changing, so we'll just take 1 second. All right. So let's go ahead and I will take you out to JessicaLynnOriginal.com. Now to get out there, super easy. All you do is just go to JessicaLynnOriginal.com. I'll put the link in the video below. Or if you head to Artistry and Cards, there's a hyperlink in there too. So not a big deal. All right, so let's go ahead and we will slide on over to JessicaLynnOriginal.com. There we go. All right, so welcome. This is so exciting. I'm super happy with this. This is going to be fun. Now, what I want to show you is that when you load up JessicaLynnOriginal.com, you can see it's got the brand new inlet website look. And in here, you can see there's all kinds of fun stuff that we have available. A couple of new things. You can go to all of our Halloween products. You could also go to custom stamps, digital stamps, which is where we have a huge collection. We also have a ton of new Christmas items. So if you're looking for some new digitals, I drew this adorable Santa recently. You can see I've been updating the website with the new graphics. Now, Coffee Lovers Blog Hop people that are here, let's get inspired. All of the art is hand drawn by me. So I draw everything. I've been here for doing this for 20 years. It's all hand drawn, original art. And so let's go ahead and look. I actually created a category called Coffee Lovers. So you can see this is all coffee stuff. And if you click on the shop now, or you can see it down here, shop now, I'll just take you there. You can see we've got some stickers. We've got photopolymer stamps, brand new digital stamps. So a ton of them. This is actually one of my favorites. Love her. She's so cute. I cannot wait to see how you all color her in. Let me keep going. So there's some of our favorite Brentwoods. Again, the new free digital for this will show up in this coffee area. So please know that's where it will be. There's also other items. And then if you know about the secret Kermit coffee. So that's out there as well. So I just want to take a quick moment and say thank you so much for not only being a fan of my stamps and my art, but also subscribing here on YouTube. I am working on getting our subscribe hours up so that we can offer some really fun stuff here on Artistry and Cards on YouTube. I appreciate you guys designing with me, creating things, sharing out my art, sharing out everything I work on. I appreciate it more than you'll ever know. And I just thought, normally I just type up a whole letter. I thought, this time I'm going to go ahead and record something. So I hope that you guys all have a wonderful Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. I cannot wait to see all the things you make. And then don't forget, anything you do share, be sure to share it with me on hashtag Jessica Lynn Original or Artistry and Cards. Either one's fine. And I will definitely share it on our Instagram. So I will see you all again very soon during the Coffee Lovers Blog Hop. Take care, and I hope you guys all are well. Bye, everybody.